This is not an official example, so I'm not going to label it as an example. Now, some of you are looking at this going, but why can't I just do 6 over 9 divided by 1 over 3. 6 divided by 1 is 6. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And that equals 2. Huzzah! Woo! It's the same answer. Okay, yes. For this one example, that works. However, this only works when both your numerator and your denominator can be divided by your second fraction's numerator and denominator, which is not actually a very common thing. So, for example, if I gave you 4/5 divided by 3/10, I can't divide 4 by 3. I can't do it. It doesn't work. 5 divided by 10, can't do that either. So, I could do this the other way. Make that tenths. 8/10 divided by 3/10. Now, here's the thing. This is not going to be even. It's not going to come out an even whole number. This is more of a slightly more advanced. So if you're here for why can't I just divide straight across like I multiply straight across, well, that's why. And here is the explanation of how you would actually do this problem. So tenths, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 8/10 specifically. 8/10. So, you notice one thing here is that 3 does not go into 8. Definitely does not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm still going to chunk up 3/10. So 3, 1, 2. Now, what's left over? Well, if I was getting an extra 3/8 here, I would have that. So I have 2 whole chunks, and 1 chunk that is only part. So all I want to look at right here is what's going on here. All I want to see is what's going on here. I'm going to ignore this chunk here. I'm going to ignore all of this stuff over here. All I'm looking at is this chunk here, and that looks to me a bit like 2/3. So 8/10 divided by 3/10 is 2 and 2/3. And that, my friends, is why you can't just divide straight across, because 8 divided by 3 is not 2, it's not an even number.